I'm gonna do it because I don't have a better idea. Okay. Now I'm gonna push this guy forward because I'm taking away the G6 and those kinds of. So I'm not gonna do rook first because king's gonna run away. So I'm gonna make sure that the G6 is not accessible for them. And now you can deliver checkmate here, right? Oh no. Oh, you can't be serious. You gotta take first. Sorry, I still thought I'm actually controlling that square. It was a pawn actually stopping all of it. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Probably knight c6, knight e7 might be something. Knight c6, knight e7, queen takes, then maybe some knight d5. Maybe there's something to do with this as well. Or maybe with this as well. But if you play this, queen's gotta move, so to speak. And then you take queen takes, and you might have this and then make it a mess on f6. So that might be the case, guys. That might be the case. So again, we are going to play knight c6. We're going to take this guy here. We play. No, we're going to take this guy. Yeah. Now we could play this knight d5 idea. Attack the king, the queen. Sorry, apologies. Queen's gotta go. Whatever the heck they gotta go, and then you're gonna play this. Then they take with the guy, and then you might be having, all sorts of checkmate threats and stuff. So let me just do this. Well, I think I'm happy to take the queen after all. What is going on? I can see there is a serious aiming at f2. I know that the queen is hanging, so now you got to think about this. I guess you kind of have to take, then they do, then you do, and whatever they take, you're gonna take back. Hell, after all, you just took a queen, right? You just took a queen. You don't get checkmated or anything. Yeah, okay, now the question, do I go here or do I go here? But that's question. I may want to go here, though. No, because there's more stuff happening. And you might not like it. So if I go this and this, a check is a check though. No, you're getting in serious trouble. Yeah, I was lucky with this one. Yeah, I mean, serious trouble meant practically checkmate. Okay, what do we do here? I can see this one for the bishop for a starter. I might be wrong. I can see this one. Oh no, it's pinned. Heck, it's absolutely pinned. Nope. Therefore, let's go to something else. Rook takes, check on stuff. Maybe that's the thing. Maybe that's the thing. Anything else? Don't think so. Yeah, that makes sense. Now, let's not rush it. Let's not completely rush it. Probably it's rook takes. Hey, I got even a better idea. Do you want to hear something super crazy, guys? Rather than taking the queen, rook e3 takes e6, right? I mean, of course, that's what you think. I was thinking the same stuff. Rather than doing this, which probably elicits them to play knight to e3, and then you're going to have an issue here. Why not taking this guy first? They take, and then I'll take. Right? Then you're going to have two minor pieces in rook versus one minor piece in rook. It's very, very important, this kind of timings, this kind of in between move. It's very important, very important, very important. Okay. Now it smells like some sacrifices here. It seems to be the case to just take it on g7 with the rook. Rook takes g7, king takes, and then maybe bishop takes, king goes or whatever, and this and that, something like this. It could be rook g7. The other one is too slow, and you're having all sorts of. I mean, just rook g7 and that's it. Yeah, it's gotta be rook g7, guys. Yeah. Okay, big question ever. We take care. They go here. Nah, I don't like it. This one I like it. That's the deal because that facilitates a checkmate. So yeah, I was right. So now we've got actually this. Wait a minute. Just wait. Just wait. Wait. No, you don't take the rook. Apologies. You actually don't take the rook, right? You're gonna play this though.